Brings you the 62S Core Alignment Splicer. This latest addition to the Fujikura Splicer family combines unequaled performance, rugged durability, and unbeatable service and support, all at a very attractive price. No available splicer offers better value for your investment. With 6-second splice times, 23-second heat times with standard size sleeves, and long-life electrodes good for 5,000 splices, the 62S delivers the performance you need to get the job done. The 62S is built to last, with a 4.7-inch monitor that can withstand direct impacts. Fujikura continues to lead with 5-direction drop resistance, dust resistance, and rain resistance. On a single charge, the lithium-ion battery performs up to 200 splices, and the internal AC adapter makes recharging fast and easy. The 62S is compatible with Fuse Connect connectors and includes universal sheath clamps. 900-micron loose tube clamps are optional. The splice sleeve loader and the carrying case's detachable work table expedite splice times.